Hey guys, look what I got today. I just got my Ipsy bag, and ooh, this is cute. So they used to come in a box, but now they have them in these mailer bags. Um, this this one is the middle tiered subscription, and this is the $25 bag, which you're supposed to get 5 full size products. And then they have a $12 bag where you get 5 mini samples. Sometimes you get a full-size product for $12. And then they have a $50 one where I think you get like 12 products, like half full-size and half deluxe samples. But anyways, this is the middle one for 25, 5 full-size products. And this is the second time they've had these type little makeup bags, the drawstrings. And this is for September's bag, and it has Ipsy right there. I really like this. It's like a burgundy color. Cute. So I guess all my products fit in here. Okay, so the first thing we have is some face masks from Starskin. So we've got a pink pouch and then a yellow one. So the pink one is called Firming, and the yellow one is Foaming Pilling Puff. So that's cool. Feels like it has stuff in it. I don't know. So cool. 2 face mask. Alright. And there is a card, so it's good vibes. The cards used to tell you what you got in your bag, but they don't anymore. So I don't even know why they even bother sending out cards, because it's useless. Okay, so we've got our first makeup product. This is from the brand Chustique, and it's a contour cheek stick. And it's called Brazilian Bronze. I don't really contour and stuff. So, and that looks extremely dark. Well, hi, Munchkin. Hi, Bella Rose. So, I'm not sure if I'll keep that, so I won't open it up. But it's magnetic sealing cap. So, it's a 2-in-1 product with refillable twist on and off tools. Travel friendly for the life on the go. So, there's that. Bella wants to say hi. There's Bella Rose. My little munchkin kitty. Alright, so we have 3 more products. So the third item is from Laura Geller, Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water. You can prime, set, and refresh. And it's a 4-ounce bottle. So that's cool. You can prime, set, and refresh. And it is sealed. I want to see what it smells like. I love getting sprays. So I am excited for that. And Ipsy has now, since last month, made where you can pick out, if you get your email in time, you can pick out 3 of your products, 3 out of the 5. But I missed it, so I did not get to pick out any of my items, which sucks. Try not to spray the cat. Alright, because I literally just did this eye look right before filming my Ipsy. So I haven't sprayed it. So cool. Wow, it smells really nice. Light coconutty scent. And the spray felt nice. So we have 2 more products. I'll go ahead and grab them out. Okay, so we got this tube thing from the brand Context. It's vitamin C all day eye cream. Got fuzz on it from the bag. And there's 0.5 ounce vitamin C eye cream. I'm not sure if I'll keep it. This is a huge tube. Normally eye stuff is like half the size. I actually just recently got some, and I don't always remember to use my eye cream. So I'm not sure if I'll keep it or put it up in my giveaway stack. Not sure on that. Then we have one more product, which I'm excited for. And it's from the brand Ofra Cosmetics. It's their lip gloss, and it's in the shade Truffle. And has 6 grams. Now, I have a few of Ofra's lippies. So I will be trying this on. So, here's the palette that I did this eye look with. We're all mad here from the brand Peachy Queen, which was my first time trying it. Look how cute. So that's the eye look if you were curious. But anyways, I'm going to use the mirror to try on this Truffles lip gloss. So it's like a brown with beautiful glitter. And I want to say this is my third, I think this is my third Ofra lip product. So here's what the Dofa looks like. Has kind of like a fruity smell. And the cat's trying to grab the mirror. And so far, I really love the Ofra's lip products. But I can't remember if I have a lip gloss or not. Quit, kitten. There. So, this is definitely glittery. Bella Rose, could you stop? Ooh, that is gorgeous. It's not super opaque. It's definitely shiny. With a little bit of glitter, but when I'm rubbing it in, I cannot feel the glitters at all. You know, some lip glosses you can feel the glitter specks when you rub your lips together, but you cannot with that. This feels so soft. It is not thick or sticky or goopy or gloppy or anything. This is very smooth lip gloss. That looks very pretty. Could you quit, Sister Sue? Alright. So, quick recap. The cute fall drawstring bag, which is good medium-sized bag, holds quite a bit. The Laura Geller Spackle Mist Prime Set and Refresh Coconut Water Spray, which I'm super excited for. The Ofra Truffle Lip Gloss. The Context Vitamin C Eye Cream. The Tristique Contour Cheek Stick, which I will not use. And then the 2-pack of Star Skin Face Mask. And in my quiz thing that you take, I put that I'm definitely more interested in makeup and not so much skincare. So let's see, we got 3 face products. We got the face mask, the eye cream to put on the face, and then the spray to go on the face. So I don't think they really listen to the quiz, and I always go on there and do leave reviews on the products that I get, because you get like, I think 15 points, which you can turn around and use in their Ipsy store. So I got 2 out of 5. 2 makeups out of 5 products. So not very good. I'd rather at least have 3 to 5. But last month was amazing. Ipsy did amazing. I was super happy. I have a million face masks. I may keep one and put one in the giveaway. I'm not sure how to read over. I mean, these are okay. I've watched a handful of Ipsy videos, and it seemed like everybody got these face masks. Everybody got this, it seems like. So 3 of these products, I probably will not keep these. and I might keep one of those. I'm not sure yet. So definitely these two I am happy with. So 2 out of 5's not good. I mean, so I don't know. But let me know if you get Ipsy, or if you got in your Ipsy bag, if you like your Ipsy bag this month, or any of that. Let me know if you liked any of the products that I did get. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. And I really do love the Ofra lip products. Any of them that I have tried have been amazing. Y'all should go check out the Ofra lips. Alright, bye guys.